Hi everyone, Nancy with Our Treasure Home and little one's upstairs. So, she didn't know I was doing another video. This is Sunday and I'm doing a bunch of videos so I can have stuff posted throughout the week. It's pumpkin palooza. How about that? So, am I feeling good today? Let's put it this way. As far as aches and pains go, it's the same. As far as my mind, this is I'll do a separate video. I feel like I'm clear today. If you know, I'm quite sure a lot of people understand what that means. I don't feel like I'm lost in space somewhere. That's part of MS. Fibromyalgia is some of that, but more so MS. So, if y'all hear me talking about that, go back to the live that I had Friday, September 30th. The first 30 minutes I'll tell y'all what's going on about the doctors and everything, but this has nothing to do. This is supposed to be pumpkin palooza. So here we go. We made pumpkin pancakes. And I had some left over. So what I'm going to do with these, I'm going to let them cool. Then I'm going to stick them in the bag and stick them in the freezer. There we go. We'll have a quick breakfast one morning. Just heat them back up and we can have some more pumpkin pancakes. Now, I went ahead and did this. Don't ask. My hands are itching. So, they're good. They're just itching. I had a little bit of pumpkin left, so what I decided to do was make some pumpkin soup. So I took, a cup and a half of almond milk. So this is, the pink top is the unsweetened, and I just like the unsweetened because then I can sweeten it myself to however I want it. And then I took that last bit of pumpkin in the can. It was probably maybe a fourth, almost a half a cup of pumpkin, and put it in the milk and put it on a low heat. So I have made some pumpkin soup. I haven't seasoned it yet because I don't want y'all to come along and see. Whoop. There we go. Alright, so I have cinnamon. I still can't see very well. Alright. Yes, I have this pot out. This is not the pumpkin soup. Here is the pumpkin soup. Can y'all see? There we go. Alright. So, I'm going to add... See, I was thinking, do I just want to add the separate ingredients or use pumpkin pie spice? Because it has cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, and cloves. It's got all of them already all mixed together. So, I'm going to use the pumpkin pie spice. And add... Well, see, you probably want to add a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon. I'm just going to dump it in. Eyeball it. There you go. I say about half a teaspoon. See? There we go. So this is dairy-free pumpkin soup. So it's been simmering on the low heat for about 30 minutes or so. That way, you know, let it cook and all that good stuff. What I'm going to do, yes, I just put the spices in. I'm I'm going to pour a little bit. In a bowl. So I'll let that cool and everything, and then later on I'll just stick it in a container and put it in the fridge. I can have that for lunch tomorrow because, you know, it's Sunday. We sleep in a little bit. Well, I let her sleep in. I get up and watch Joseph Prince and then Elevation Church. Y'all know I watch those. Dr. Stanley. And just, that's my church. And all of y'all. Because God said, where 2 or 3 or more are gathered together in my name, there I am also. So, whether we're alive or we gather together now, there he is. So, there we go. That's my tidbit for the day. And I learned this. Somebody, I don't remember who it was, but said, when you're alone, you still have someone with you. The Holy Spirit that lives inside of you is your second person with you. So, whether you have someone physically with you or through YouTube or whatever, and you feel alone, you're never alone because the Holy Spirit lives right in you. And that's your second person with you. So when you need somebody to agree with you on something, ask the Holy Spirit because he's there to help you. Maybe I'm done with the Bible lesson. Maybe not. Oh, goodness. So, I'll let the soup just a little bit cool off. And then you can add so much stuff. I was sitting here just thinking, if you have Cool Whip or whipping cream or something, you can put that on top. You could probably sprinkle cinnamon, some more cinnamon. Cinnamon's good for you. So you could probably, or nutmeg, or more pumpkin spice. I was trying to think of something else that you could put. You know, you can do it up the way you want to. This is how I do it because we are dairy free, and I have alpha-gal, gall, however you want to say it. It's from a tick bite that I can't have red meat, pork, steak, all that good stuff. Just chicken and turkey and fowl. So, here we go. The pumpkin palooza. Pumpkin soup. Still needs a little bit of something else. Maybe some salt. Let me add that. Alright, I just put a teeny bit of salt in there. No, I didn't go by a recipe. I went by my own stuff. Just don't wing it, you know? It made it just a little bit better. You know, when you don't have something every day, it kind of tastes funny. But I guess, you know, I'll have to go look up a recipe actually just to see. But I'm just sitting there thinking, yes, I mean, I'm sitting there thinking something else. Yes, I'm gonna add bell pepper. So I'll adjust the recipe. Definitely salt and pepper needs to go into that. So what I'm going to do though, I'm going to let that sit, let that cool off. I'll put it in a container so I can have it sometime during the week. And of course, add salt and pepper to taste and see how it tastes. But overall, that's not bad at all. I mean, just don't, when you put the spices in there, measure it out and how you want to taste it. I used pumpkin spice because it had all of them in there, and I added salt and pepper, and it was good to go. So, yep, I need a new SD card. You can see I have a timer on my thing now. Oh, goodness. So, I want to keep my videos short and sweet. If you haven't, like, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications, check out our links. If Amazon affiliate, you don't have to buy what's there. Just click on it. It'll take you to Amazon. I'll get a little bit of something to help me out. And yeah, I'm still waiting for my mind to. No, I'm just still waiting for. Waiting for what? If something good is going to happen to me today, and something good is going to happen through me today, and you can claim that too. So with that, y'all have a wonderful and blessed day, and we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home.